Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Gemini AI voice to male. If you are tired of the default voice and want a male voice instead, this is very easy to do. Let's get started. First, open the official Google Gemini app on your Android or iPhone. Before we begin, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Once you are on the Gemini home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture or initial. A menu will pop up on your screen. From here, simply select Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on the option labeled Gemini's Voice. Here, you will see a carousel of available voices. Google has added several high-quality voice options with different tones and accents. Simply swipe left or right to explore them. Every time you swipe, the app will play a short audio sample so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. Keep swiping until you find a male voice that fits your style. Once you find the perfect one, just leave it selected to apply it. The great thing is that this setting is universal. This new male voice will now be used across the entire Gemini app, including your normal voice prompts and your real-time Gemini Live conversations. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and switch up the voice whenever you want. Please note that the number of voices might vary slightly depending on your region and language settings, but the process remains exactly the same. That's it. This is how you can easily change Gemini AI voice to male. It only takes a few seconds and makes your experience much better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.